Welcome to Archithings, the channel where we explore the world's most inspiring spaces, from minimalist homes to monumental architecture. Today, we're diving into a unique aesthetic that fuses raw materiality with sculptural grace: vaulted Brutalist Residences. If you're passionate about architecture that balances strength and serenity, this episode will open your eyes to a softer side of brutalism, one where sweeping arches and textured concrete coexist beautifully. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps us continue creating thoughtful design content every week. Vaulted Brutalism reimagines the rigid geometries of traditional brutalism by introducing curvature, rhythm, and light. It's a dialogue between power and poetry, where concrete becomes both shelter and sculpture. This approach embraces brutalism's honesty in material and form, while softening its severity with arches that evoke timeless architectural traditions. The result is a new kind of living environment, monumental yet meditative, industrial yet deeply human. Brutalism emerged after World War II, reflecting a need for affordable, durable, and honest construction. Architects like Le Corbusier and Allison and Amp, Peter Smithson pioneered its iconic use of béton brut, or raw concrete. Over time, the style became associated with institutional buildings, imposing and unapologetically massive. Yet, within this ruggedness lay a profound respect for material integrity. The vaulted evolution of Brutalism pays homage to these origins while transcending them, bringing warmth and spatial poetry into domestic architecture. Arches have long symbolized strength, continuity, and grace in architecture. When merged with brutalist materials, they create an unexpected softness, a sculptural counterpoint to concrete's rigidity. In vaulted brutalist homes, arches serve as both structure and ornament, shaping light and defining the rhythm of interior spaces. This blending of ancient geometry with modern materiality embodies a new architectural language, grounded, expressive, and timeless. Brutalist design champions the idea that materials should express their true nature. Concrete, with its imperfections and grain, becomes a canvas of authenticity. In vaulted brutalist residences, the roughness of concrete contrasts beautifully with smooth curves, casting nuanced shadows throughout the day. This tactile quality invites both visual and physical interaction, a reminder that architecture is meant to be felt, not just seen. Designing vaulted brutalist residences requires balancing monumental scale with human comfort. The goal is to achieve grandeur without alienation. Architects accomplish this by proportioning arches carefully, introducing natural light, and integrating intimate zones within open spatial volumes. The result is an experience of awe that remains personal, where residents feel both protected and inspired by their surroundings. In these homes, light becomes an architectural material in itself. Sunlight glides across arched ceilings, transforming static concrete into living sculpture. The deep reveals and recesses of the structure create dramatic contrasts, emphasizing the play of solidity and void. As the day unfolds, the atmosphere shifts, sometimes ethereal, sometimes solemn, offering an ever-changing sensory experience. While brutalism often feels heavy, vaulted brutalist interiors achieve warmth through restraint and thoughtful detail. Muted tones, simple furnishings, and natural textures like wood and linen balance the dominance of concrete. This approach transforms what could feel severe into something serene, a minimalist sanctuary within a monumental shell. Vaulted brutalist residences often blur the boundary between built and natural environments. Courtyards, skylights, and garden walls invite nature into the composition. Concrete's neutrality complements the landscape, allowing greenery, sky, and light to take center stage. This symbiotic relationship grounds the architecture in its context, transforming stark materiality into an organic experience. The vaulted ceilings in brutalist homes don't just shape light, they shape sound. The curvature softens echoes, creating a calm, almost cathedral-like quality. This acoustic refinement enhances the sense of introspection that defines these spaces. In essence, the architecture becomes both a visual and auditory experience, immersive, intimate, and profoundly spatial. In these residences, furniture is often custom-built to echo the architecture's geometry. Low concrete benches, wooden accents, and sculptural lighting reinforce the visual language of solidity and curve. The goal is not decoration, but continuity, ensuring every element feels born from the same design DNA. This cohesion transforms interiors into unified environments where architecture and furnishing speak a common language. Architects across the globe are revisiting brutalism with fresh perspectives, from Japan's minimal concrete retreats to Mexico's monumental family homes. Vaulted brutalism, in particular, has found resonance in climates where natural light and thermal mass create passive comfort. Each project reinterprets the philosophy, adapting the heavy material to local needs while preserving its sculptural essence. Though often misunderstood, brutalism aligns naturally with sustainable design principles. Concrete's durability ensures longevity, reducing the need for constant renovation. Vaulted forms also enhance energy efficiency by improving air circulation and reducing material waste through structural efficiency. In this way, monumental design becomes a long-term commitment to both endurance and environmental responsibility. Living within a vaulted brutalist residence is an emotional experience, one defined by contrast and contemplation. The scale inspires reverence, while the material honesty creates a grounding calm. It's architecture that demands awareness, of space, of time, and of one's own presence within it. The beauty of this architectural language lies in its contradictions. Harsh materials meet gentle curves, vast voids coexist with intimate corners. This interplay of opposites challenges perception, revealing that strength and softness are not mutually exclusive. It's a design philosophy that celebrates imperfection and emotion as integral parts of architectural experience. Vaulted Brutalism has inspired a new generation of architects and designers who value authenticity, tactility, and atmosphere over ornamentation. You can see its influence in modern interiors that emphasize raw finishes, curved forms, and sculptural simplicity. It's a testament to the enduring power of architectural ideas, always evolving, always relevant. Architecture rooted in honesty and proportion never truly goes out of style. Vaulted brutalist homes embody this timelessness through their elemental beauty. They stand not as trends, but as testaments to the enduring relationship between form, function, and feeling. Each arch, each wall, each beam becomes part of a larger story, one that outlives its builders and continues to inspire. Vaulted Brutalist Residences reveal how strength and serenity can coexist, how the rawest materials can shape the most refined living experiences. If this exploration inspired you, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Which aspect of vaulted brutalism resonated most with you? Thank you for watching Archithings. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to support more architectural journeys like this one. See you in the next episode.